When you can't find the right words to express yourself, sometimes an emoji can do the trick. For example, in a Skype for Business instant message, there are loads of emojis to choose from. Click on the smiley face in the instant message box and hover your mouse over any of the images to find out what it is. And when you found one you'd like to use, just click on it. How about talk to the hand? Or ooh, too much information. Gotta run. How cool is that? Have fun. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.